Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome back in. Hey, the good news is that as we expected, the spotty chances for some showers here today did not come true. So we've actually now had 2 dry days in a row. We'll likely stay that way the rest of tonight under a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky out there the rest of this evening. Although we are expecting some showers and storms to roll in overnight. Thursday, not likely to be a dry day for us. Taking a look at satellite and radar, you can see we're in a gap of the cloud cover right now across central Kentucky. There's still some high clouds in eastern and southern Kentucky, keeping their temperatures just slightly cooler. We are going to see, though, more chances for storms. Along the cold front from Columbus all the way to Springfield, we have a line of broken showers and storms working mainly to the east, but the warm front's going to run into the cold front. There's already a complex of severe weather in Missouri, and all of that is likely to spark more opportunities and push things our direction as we move further into the overnight tonight. Not anticipating anything until probably closer to daybreak tomorrow morning at this point. We've got a level 2 risk out west in western Kentucky specifically as well. And then here in central Kentucky, it's really kind of I-75, Somerset to Moorhead line, then up to Flemingsburg, and everything west of there has a chance for maybe an isolated gusty damaging wind threat for the overnight tonight as these leftover storms roll through. With that, the timing again is expected to be pretty early tomorrow morning, and the severe threat will be very low at that point. You can see Futurecast is doing a pretty good job with what's already going on, and so as it continues to progress our direction, see how things stay pretty dry for us with increased cloud cover the rest of tonight. Now you've got the line of showers and storms with some pockets of heavier rain splitting right through central Kentucky. Light rain there, other areas, heavier pockets of rain. And these will likely continue between, say, 4 a.m. and 10 a.m., moving to the east as they do. In southern Kentucky, they linger through midday, and then in the afternoon, we could see a couple of isolated pop-ups come up. But most of Thursday afternoon and evening are likely to be dry. Still, though, a couple of isolated to stronger storms will be possible with some heavier downpours in there later Thursday evening. As far as rainfall goes from this, I wouldn't expect to see much unless you catch some of those stronger chances for rain showers and storms heading into the overnight. Better chances across the south and west, maybe a ½ inch to an inch. A lot of us might only catch up to 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of rainfall as this little system comes through. With that, pretty nice outside of those storm chances. 82 has been our high so far here in Lex, thanks to some cloud cover today. But some spots we're able to get in the mid to upper 80s with a little bit more sunshine. Tomorrow, with the cloud cover lingering and those early rounds of showers, overnight lows in the upper 60s, probably only getting back to the low 80s again. Still, the mugginess keeping it feeling like it's in the mid to upper 80s at times. Moving forward from there, we are expecting to see over the course of the next couple of days just those low to mid 80s across the board. And the good news again, Friday, Saturday, maybe a spotty chance for a shower or storm. I wouldn't expect much else out of that, though, as we go into the rest of the weekend and into early next week. The heat does come back by the time we get to Wednesday or Thursday.